how we can execute them in varying degrees of how we're feeling, any place, anytime, and then the deep details of how I've experimented with these things and what they've spoken to me as far as how my body has responded to them. And then I want you guys to explore as well. Line of your feet up, parallel. Don't worry about how wide or close, your call. Using your hips, you're gonna do this action right here. Watch. You're gonna try to screw your feet outwards into the ground, but don't let them move. Watch. And you're gonna hold it. So look what just happened. If I stand like an American, boom, arches are collapsed, ankles are pronated, knees are internally rotated, no tension here or here. I'm a therapist wet dream, which will lengthen the back and then do the same thing when you get to the bottom. Shorten every muscle on the back of the body in order and take yourself to the fullest range. I started to discover this. When you go back, watch, no matter where your arms are, you do that. You'll like misfire. You meant to fire right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, but you fired the same side. Now, firing the same side in a Superman is not a bad thing. If you choose it, do that sometime.